Hello students, my name is Teacher Gary. What's your name? Oh, pleased to meet you. Okay, shall we begin? Okay, story time. The story is called What is That Sound? What is that sound? It's loud. It's scary. Is it a train? No, it isn't. Is it a plane? No, it isn't. Is it a cow? No, it isn't. What is that sound? Let's go and look. It's Grandpa snoring. Wasn't that fun, students? Okay, now repeat after me. Scary. A train. A plane. A cow. Grandpa. Now, what do you see? What's this? Scary, correct. What's this? A cow, correct. What's this? A train, correct. What's this? A plane, correct. What's this? Grandpa. Oh, very good, students. Okay, students, repeat after me. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay, now answer the questions. So, yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Is this scary? Correct. Yes, it is. Is this a train? Correct. Yes, it is. Is this a train? No, it isn't. Is this a plane? Yes, it is. Correct. Is this a cow? Correct. No, it isn't. Is this a cow? Correct. Yes, it is. Is this Grandpa? Yes, it is. Correct. Well done, students. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. I hope you all had fun. Okay, so see you again next time. Bye.